Warning, that remind me later button just cost a small business $50,000 in stolen data. Windows updates aren't optional. AirDroid Business just made IT life much easier. Windows Patch Management is a game changer. Automatically detect system vulnerabilities. Categorize patch statuses in one dashboard. See missing patches, update needs, and reboot requirements. Imagine managing patches across multiple devices without breaking a sweat. Batch update critical security patches. Control update schedules. Minimize device downtime. It's AirDroid device management tool. This is how the dashboard looks like, where it contains the options to enroll your company mobile or Windows laptop devices. Click on Devices. Click on Device Enrollment. Click on Windows icon on the right side corner. There are two methods to enroll the device. Method 1 is to download the exe file and open the file in the device to be enrolled. Method 2 is to open the browser of the device to be enrolled and entering the URL https://airdroid.at/win. And this will open the exe file, and once it is downloaded, open the file. Click on Next. Click on Finish. Open the AirDroid Business daemon icon by double-clicking on it. In the admin panel on the right side of the screen, there will be a deployment code which needs to be entered here. Click on Register. This will open the Confirm enrollment of this device to the group dialog box. Click on OK. There will be a prompt to enter the name of the device. Click on Done. This will show the device status with the device information. In the admin panel, click on Devices and click on All Devices. You should see the name of the device that has been enrolled. Click on it to see the device details from battery capacity, serial number, OS version, etc. We can reboot the device or factory reset the device from this screen. Click on Apps. Click on Patch Management. In this dashboard, we can see the status of the missing patches or updates that are not done in the enrolled devices. Patches to be updated. Devices that require rebooting. Click on the missing patches to see the list of patches with the details such as patch name, patch ID, severity of the patches, and if a reboot is required after the patch is installed. To apply the patch, simply click on the patch name and then select the device that needs to be updated. Click on the up arrow for AirDroid Patch Management to update the patch on the enrolled device. In the enrolled device, you should see that the patch is being applied. Batch updates can be installed by clicking on the checkbox icon. Clicking on the crossed over eye icon to ignore the patch to be installed on the enrolled device. Click on Policy and Kiosk menu. Click on the Windows icon. Click on Patch Settings. This will open the configuration setup screen for the patch settings. To apply the configuration, click on the Add button. Choose the device enrolled from the menu. Click on Next. Click on OK. To edit the patch settings, click on the Edit blue button. Click on the Patch Settings. We can set the interval of checking for available system patch by choosing the drop-down. Scheduling of the frequency of installing the system patch can be set from these settings. Specific time can be set for installing the update on the enrolled devices. Reboot settings can be configured as well to give time for the users to reboot their devices. The message to be displayed can be configured as well. Click on Save to enforce the policy on the device. Here is a preview of what happens after the policy is enforced. Get your 14-day free trial now. Click the link in bio and level up your device management game. Follow Computer Geeks for more tips and tricks.